You're right guys, I've got an idea. Now you'll know recently we've had the likes of Makers Central, and then more recently I went to the Ryobi conference, and everything that people take away from those events are how great they are. But the main draw for those kind of get-togethers is the meeting people and hanging out. Now it's great to be able to see the different booths and stands and demonstrations going on, but really what we all enjoy most is the camaraderie in the community and getting to hang out and chat. So I really think we could do with an event that focuses on that in particular. That's what I'm hoping Maker Festival will be. So in this video I'm going to go over the 5 W's to hopefully explain the idea a bit more. So first up, what is Maker Festival? At the moment it's nothing, it's just an idea. I did speak to a lot of people at Maker Central about the idea and there was a lot of interest involved, so I'm going to be moving forward with it. The basic idea is to get people together to share what they love, share what they do, but nothing will actually be set in stone. There won't be any stands organised, there won't be any booths organised, there won't be any demos organised. It is literally just about the people getting together and hanging out. You know what this community is like and you know what we're passionate about, so I can be sure that people who are attending will bring along different things that they do, whether it's leatherwork, woodwork, forging, blacksmithing, whether it's craft, knitting, everything that you can think of. I can see people pulling up with the cars, with the vans, with the campers, opening the doors and sharing what they're passionate about with everybody else attending the event. So next up, it's where will this be happening? I don't know. I'm currently looking to try and find plots of land that are suitable. I was offered some land after mentioning it at Makers Central, but it's not really suitable for what I think we need. Ideally, it would be a campsite. We need open space. Plots for tents would be great, but like myself, not everybody will be wanting to stay in a tent or even able to stay in a tent. So we need log cabins, caravans, maybe even nearby hotels, something like that, so everybody can be involved. And if you've got a disability or you just don't like camping in a tent, you won't be left out and everybody can get involved and attend Maker Festival. So I'm going to pass this off to you a little bit. I've got some ideas in mind, but where do you think would be a good place to hold it? Do you know of any beautiful campsites, any nice pieces of land? Do you have any insight into that area? Because I really don't. I'm literally trying to find it through Google and stuff like that. So hopefully if you've got any ideas, please let me know in the comments or get in touch via email and Facebook and all that good stuff, and we can try and make this happen. Okay, next up, it's when. Another one, going to be a running theme, I don't know. I'm planning on hopefully being around June, July or August. Because the event will be held in the UK, we kind of need the good weather and we don't have a lot of that here in the UK. So around June to August time is kind of our spring, summer season. So I'm hoping we would have less rain and hopefully warmer temperatures, so we can hopefully find a decent weekend within that bracket, so we're not open to torrential downpours and snow and anything like that. Fingers crossed anyway. But I would like it to be a weekend event. I'm thinking Friday night, all of Saturday night, all of Sunday and the Sunday night as well, with the idea of everybody heading off home on the Monday. Of course, if you can't stay for the entire weekend, that's completely up to you, but I like the idea of having the entire event running over a full weekend so we don't have to rush and we can get round and we can meet everybody, and so everybody has a chance to communicate and get to know each other a lot better over the full weekend. Next up, it's who is actually going to be there, who's going to be attending Maker Festival. Well, I spoke to a lot of people at Maker Central and there was a lot of interest shown, but what I'd like to make this event about is it's about everybody. It's not about big names, it's not about who's going, who's not going. I want it to be more about the numbers. If we can get an idea of how many people will be attending, that is what will be promoted and pushed out everywhere. Of course, if people want to share that I'm going, that's great, then you know your friends can come and everything like that, but it won't ever be advertised that so and so will be there, so come along kind of thing. I want everybody to be on an equal playing field. That's what it's all about and that's what the community should be. So lastly, it's why am I doing this? We've got events, we've got the likes of Maker Fair, we've got Maker Central, we've got all sorts like that. As I said in the beginning, those events are fantastic and they're very much needed in this community, and I've loved every single one that I've attended. But the main draw of the event is the meeting people. So when we're at these events and we're going around the different booths and we're seeing the different demonstrations, it does feel rushed. So we end up stopping, talking to people, missing what's actually going on at the event, and it feels as if we need a full week of the show so we can get everything packed in. So that's the idea with Maker Festival really. Nothing is planned, people bring along what they want to bring along. If you literally just want to go there and just talk, that would be great, but people have spoke about actually doing live music there, hence the festival kind of music festival vibe I'm thinking. So it'd be great if we could have some bands, maybe some DJs going on, that would be brilliant. But I can just picture of a night time a big campfire, everybody crowded round, everybody talking, having a good time. I can just see it being a fantastic event, and hopefully you can see it too. So please do let me know. If you're interested in attending the event, leave a comment, let me know. Get in touch with me on Facebook and via email as well, because then I can take those numbers and hopefully put it forward to potential landowners and campsite owners, so we can actually show that this amount of people are interested in attending, and we can move forward with the planning hopefully. So that's where it's at the moment. It is literally just an idea, but I am working on it, and it will happen. If it's 300 of us that take over an entire campsite, or if it ends up being just 2 of us bunked up in Butlins for the weekend, something will be going on, because I'm determined to get this sorted. So thank you all for watching, guys. Please share it around so people can become aware of it, and hopefully there's some people who've got better insights than me in different areas to actually attend and things like that. So I really appreciate it. Thank you all for watching. Click subscribe so you can be sure to check out any updates as soon as I've got more to tell you about Maker Festival, and I'll see you on the next video.